Bangladesh is a pillar in India's neighbourhood first policy, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India-Bangladesh bilateral virtual summit. Addressing the summit, Prime Minister says tribute to the bravehearts who laid down their lives in 1971 Indo-Pak War. Says it's a matter of pride for India to celebrate Vijay Diwas as a mark of victory over anti-liberation forces. Centre writes to West Bengal government to immediately send the 3 IPS officers on central deputation. Cites IPS cadre rules, asserts in case of any dispute between centre and state, centre prevails. ISRO to launch CMS-01 communication satellite through PSLV C-50, the 52nd mission of the PSLV from Sriharikota. The 22nd flight of the PSLV in XL configuration is to be launched in the evening in a short while from now. And Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID vaccine, shows encouraging results in the phase 1 human clinical trials. No vaccine-related serious side effects were observed and was well tolerated in doses given to the groups, says ICMR. And global corona cases exceed 7.44 crore with 16.54 lakh fatalities. Global efforts in the race for a coronavirus vaccine. Development Bank offers $1 billion to help Latin America, $1 billion US, Caribbean with COVID-19 vaccinations. In sports, India wins the toss and chooses to bat, scores 148 for 3 after 67 overs against Australia in a day-night test with pink ball in Adelaide. Australia's Stark and Cummins eliminated India's openers. And we are keeping an eye on the ISRO launch. The Indian Space Research Organisation will be launching CMS-01 communication satellite from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Centre at Sriharikota in a short while from now. The 25-hour countdown for the launch began earlier on Wednesday afternoon. The rocket will be launched at 15:41 hours today. That means in a few minutes from now. For the PSLV rocket, this would be the 52nd flight, and for the National Space Agency ISRO, this would be the 77th launch mission from home. Now, what is CMS-01? It is the 42nd communication satellite of the space agency, and it is envisaged for providing services in extended C-band of the frequency spectrum covering mainland, that is Andaman and Nicobar, as well as Lakshadweep Islands. The satellite will be the sole payload on the PSLV C-50 mission and provide telecommunication services including television, teleeducation, telemedicine and disaster management support. The satellite has an expected mission life of 7 years. Okay, so we are in the final lap of the countdown. The CMS-01 is the 42nd communication satellite of ISRO, and as we stay with the visuals, we're going to go back to visuals in a bit. Philip Matthews, my senior colleague, is joining us to tell us. Philip, final checks are underway as we speak. Run us through the significance of this satellite launch, ISRO launch.
Well, Sakal, as I said earlier, the CMS-01 is the country's 43rd communication satellite, and it will play an important role in ensuring that communication links are expanded, especially in the remote parts of the country, in places like the Andaman, Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. These are areas that are, not so well linked as the mainland. In fact, because of logistical reasons, setting up mobile and terrestrial networks has not been easy, and this communication satellite, which provides coverage in the extended C-band, will enable communication links to be established in these far-flung areas. And of course, it will have applications in fields like telemedicine, tele-education and disaster management support, besides television, of course. So these are the areas in which it will provide a great deal of help, and it is part of ISRO's objectives to ensure that the communication revolution, the benefits of that revolution are spread far and wide across the country.
Okay, especially in the field of telemedicine and teleeducation, Philip, a little bit of an elaboration, because All right, thank you very much, Philip. We're going to go live to Sriharikota ISRO Space Center.
वितरण किया जाता है तथा रोल के लिए थ्रस्टर्स लगे होते हैं। PS3 तृतीय चरण पे फ्लेक्स नोजल का प्रयोग किया जाता है और इसके रोल नियंत्रण के लिए थ्रस्टर्स चतुर्थ चरण पे लगे होते हैं। उन थ्रस्टर्स का इस्तेमाल करके PS3 और PS4 में रोल नियंत्रण किया जाता है। चतुर्थ चरण के पिच और यॉ नियंत्रण के लिए फिर से इंजन जिम्बल कंट्रोल का प्रयोग किया जाता है।
-3 minutes.
अब हम प्रमोशन से 3 मिनट की दूरी पर ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस जारी है। चरणबद्ध तरीके से पूरी जांच करते हुए ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर PSLV C49 के बाद PSLV C50 का प्रमोशन 7 दिसंबर 2020 को पहले तय हुआ था। उसके बाद मौसमी विपत्तियों के कारण इसे विलंबित किया गया
-2 minutes.
और अब 10 दिनों के बाद 17 दिसंबर को इसे द्वितीय प्रमोशन मंच SLP से प्रमोचित किया जा रहा है।
We are 1 minute 45 seconds away from the launch.
लॉन्च पैड का मौसम पूरी तरह अनुकूल प्रतीत होता हुआ
-1 minute.
We are 1 minute away from the launch,
55 seconds.
and on your screens you can see the Range Operations Director and several ISRO
-50
scientists
seconds.
watching intently on their monitors. And
-45 seconds.
the weather is fine here in
-40
Sriharikota.
seconds. -35 seconds. -30 seconds. -25 seconds. -20 seconds.
सबसे पहले RCT का प्रज्वलन हम देखेंगे
-15
T-2.8 सेकंड्स पर।
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
सफलतापूर्ण लिफ्ट
Plus
ऑफ।
5 seconds.
PSLV C50 अपने निर्दिष्ट मिशन की ओर बढ़ता हुआ।
That's a marvelous liftoff. The PS1 performance is according to the expectations.
Plus 20 seconds.
गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में इसका कंपन हम यहाँ तक महसूस कर सकते हैं। यह सभी दर्शकों के लिए भी काफी उत्साह का पल।
Stage performance normal.
ROD के घोषणा के अनुसार प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन सामान्य।
The airlit strap-on ignition scheduled 25 seconds into the flight. It's close to 1 minute after the flight.
Shut down main auto.
1 minute.
Sharp to main auto.
अब हम स्ट्रेप ऑन 1 और 2 के सेपरेशन को 1 मिनट 9 सेकंड पे देखेंगे।
Ground lead strap-on separated.
जी हाँ, जैसा अपेक्षित था, आरओडी ने अनाउंस किया, ग्राउंड लेड स्ट्रेप ऑन सेपरेट हो चुके
Stage
हैं।
performance normal. P2 change route SCBD2.
प्रथम चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ।
Air lead strap-on separated.
The A-lid strap-ons have also been separated. It is 1 minute 30 seconds into the launch, altitude 40 kilometers. The core stage will burn till 1 minute 50 seconds.
First stage separated, second stage ignited, closed loop guidance initiated.
Plus 2 minutes.
जी हाँ, प्रथम चरण अपेक्षानुसार मुख्य यान से पृथक हो चुका है और अब यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है।
Second stage performance normal.
The ignition of the second stage has been confirmed. We are 2 minutes 30 seconds into the launch.
आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर अभी एनिमेशन देख रहे थे। यह वास्तविक समय पर दर्शाया गया एनिमेशन है, जिसमें PS2 का निष्पादन सामान्य है।
Second stage performance normal.
On your screens now, you can see the animation, and you have also seen the milestones of
Plus
the
3 minutes.
separation events. You can see that the second stage is performing normally. The second stage of PSLV is based on liquid propulsion system with 41 tons of propellant loading of UH-25 as fuel and N2O4 as oxidizer. Now we await the heat shield separation. That will be the next event in the launch.
Payload fairing separated.
जैसा कि आपने अभी सुना, पेलोड फेयरिंग जो ऊष्मा कवच है
Second stage
उपग्रह के ऊपर,
performance normal.
वह पृथक हो चुकी है, चूंकि अब यान वातावरण से बाहर आ चुका है। अब वायु घनत्व ऐसा नहीं रह गया है कि उपग्रह या यान को कुछ नुकसान पहुंचा सके, इसलिए ऊष्मा कवच को अलग कर दिया गया है। PS2 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और अपने निर्दिष्ट मिशन की ओर बढ़ता हुआ।
Plus 4 minutes.
Second stage performance normal.
The second stage increases the velocity of ongoing launch vehicle from 1.98 kilometers per second to 4.94 kilometers per second. We are 4 minutes into the flight, and Port Blair station has started to acquire the signal of launch vehicle
Stage
parameters.
separated, third stage ignited.
The third stage also has been ignited, and the confirmation has been given by Range Operations Director.
Third stage performance normal.
जी हाँ, तृतीय चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ इसका ज्वलन काल करीब 122.8 सेकंड का होगा। अब आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं यह सब घटना
Plus 5
अपेक्षित
minutes.
ढंग से होते हुए।
Third stage performance normal.
The third stage is performing normally, and it is called the HPS-3 stage. It is a solid propellant motor. Its height is 3.6 meters, diameter 2 meter, and uses 7.65 tons of HTPB based propellant.
अभी आप जो ग्राफ देख रहे हैं
Third
अपनी
stage
स्क्रीन पर,
performance normal.
यह हमारे ग्राउंड स्टेशन की मदद से यह डेटा लिया जा रहा है।
The third stage will continue to burn for 123 seconds, that is a little over 2 minutes. In this duration, it will add a mere 8 kilometers to the altitude, but increase the velocity from 4.94 to 7.32
minutes.
kilometers for the mission requirements.
Third stage performance normal.
PS3 जो कि ठोस नोदन वाला चरण है, करीब 7.6 टन नोदक 122 सेकंड पे प्रज्वलन होगा। जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था, ग्राउंड स्टेशंस जो हैं, 4 ग्राउंड स्टेशन इस बार निर्धारित किए
Third
गए
stage
हैं।
action completed.
PS3 का ज्वलन
Vehicle in
काल
coasting phase.
समाप्त होता हुआ अब यान कोस्टिंग फेज पर जा चुका है। इसमें PS3 और PS4 तृतीय और चतुर्थ चरण यान के एक साथ एक यूनिट बनकर आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे।
Vehicle performance is normal.
यह कोस्टिंग काल करीबन 251.2 सेकंड का होगा।
We are 7 minutes past the launch. Third stage has completed its operation and the vehicle is in the coasting phase. Though the third stage has completed its action, it continues to coast along with the fourth stage and the spacecraft. It will do so for the total of 4 minutes, during which time there is 51 kilometers gain in the altitude as the launch vehicle loses velocity trivially.
Vehicle performance is normal in hosting phase.
यान पूर्णतः सामान्य गति पर। हमें यह डेटा ग्राउंड स्टेशंस की मदद से
8 minutes.
यहाँ प्राप्त होता रहता है और इस बार शार, पोर्ट ब्लेयर, ब्रूने और बैक, इन सभी जगहों पर ग्राउंड स्टेशंस हमें सहयोग कर रहे हैं। इन सभी ग्राउंड स्टेशंस में हम पर्याप्त समय का ओवरलैप रखते हैं ताकि यान किसी भी समय दृष्टि से अलग ना हो।
The coast phase exists while the rocket is about 1,300 to 3,000
Vehicle
kilometers
performance is
downrange
normal.
from the launch port. The Port Blair and Brunei stations tracking presently. This is the ground trace of the rocket, of the flight path that you are able to watch on your screens right now.
Plus 9 minutes.
यह प्रमोचन पूर्वी दिशा का प्रमोचन है। सामान्यतः PSLV का पोलर दिशा की ओर यानी कि दक्षिण दिशा की ओर प्रमोचन होता है। इस बार यह पूर्वी दिशा की ओर है।
Vehicle performance is normal.
Though none of the motors are burning right now, but the control system is active right now too. The PS4 stage has 2 types of control systems, one for the coast phase and one for the boost phase. For the coast phase control, the stage is equipped with 2 clusters of 50 Newton thrusters mounted on the outer diameter of the propulsion bay ring. They
Plus
derive
10
the
minutes.
propellants from the main propellant tank itself. A pair of these thrusters are also
Vehicle
used for
performance
roll
is
control
normal.
of PS3, PS4 combined during the PS3 stage operations.
अब हम करीबन 20 सेकंड की दूरी पर, जिसमें अगली घटना होगी PS3 का पृथकीकरण और उसके बाद होगा PS4 का ज्वलन।
Third stage separated.
जी हाँ, अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने अनाउंस किया PS3 सफलतापूर्वक
Fourth stage
पृथक
engine
कर लिया गया
started.
है और अब PS4 का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है।
Plus 11 minutes.
It is 11 minutes past the liftoff and the fourth stage has been ignited and is developing intended thrust. The burn time for the fourth stage for the
Fourth
present
stage
mission
performance normal.
is 8 minutes 35 seconds. It operates till the orbital parameters for injection of the satellites are achieved.
यहाँ आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं समय से सापेक्षिक गति यान की। ऊपर जो ग्राफ है वह सापेक्षिक गति का है, नीचे वाला जो है वो ऊंचाई का है। यान पूर्णतया अपने अवमानित पथ को अनुकरण करता हुआ यह चीज भी दर्शाता है कि यहाँ के वैज्ञानिकों की गणना सटीक रही है।
Plus 12 minutes.
Fourth stage performance normal.
On your screens now is the animation of the fourth stage and the ground trace now.
PS4 पर 2 तरल इंजन लगे होते हैं। इन्हीं का काम है कि उपग्रह को निर्दिष्ट कक्षा तक पहुंचा सकें।
The fourth stage is a liquid stage which is 2.5 meters in height, 1.34 meters in diameter and 2.5 tons of propellant loading. Monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. This stage is pressure fit. That means the necessary high
13
pressure
minutes.
for the propellants to enter the combustion chamber is created due to the pressurized gases. Advantage? It is simpler and lighter than its pump-fed counterpart for similar thrust.
Fourth stage performance normal.
As I had earlier spoke about the boost phase control of the fourth stage, it is achieved by two-plane gimballing of both the engines. By differential deflection of the engines, the roll control is also achieved.
चतुर्थ चरण का काल अभी भी करीबन 4 मिनट का बाकी है। NGC नेविगेशन गाइडेंस एंड कंट्रोल, इसका इस्तेमाल OBC यान को अपनी अभिवृत्ति नियंत्रण के लिए करता है। PSLV की अभिवृत्ति नियंत्रण तीनों अक्षों में संभव है और यान के उत्थापन से लेकर उपग्रह के वियोजन तक यह संभव होता है। यान का नेविगेशन तंत्र यान की स्थिति तथा वेग का सटीक मापन करके इसे सक्षम करता है। इसके अलावा अभिवृत्ति और कोणीय वेग का पता लगा सकता है। गाइडेंस तंत्र यानी यान को निश्चित दिशा में घुमाने के लिए नियंत्रण कमांड देता है ताकि यान को अपने निर्धारित कक्षा में उचित अभिवृत्ति के साथ पहुंचाया जा सके।
Plus 15 minutes.
यान प्रमोचन से करीब 110 किलोमीटर तक ओपन लूप गाइडेंस में होता है। इसका मतलब पूर्व निर्धारित कमांड उसमें जो प्रोग्राम किए गए हैं उसके अनुसार वह बढ़ता रहता है अपनी दिशा बनाए रखने के लिए।
Fourth stage performance normal.
पर 110 किलोमीटर के बाद क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस यह शुरू हो जाता है जिसमें अपनी स्थिति का मापन कर अपनी उद्दिष्ट दिशा को यान को घुमाने में सक्षम होता है। हर एक चरण का अपना नियंत्रण तंत्र होता है जो कि अंतिम में गाइडेंस कंट्रोल प्रोसेसर से कमांड किया जाता है। इनर्शियल नेविगेशन सिस्टम जायरो तथा एक्सेलरोमीटर से बना हुआ है। जायरो कोणीय वेग मापन का कार्य करते हैं, एक्सेलरोमीटर त्वरण मापन का कार्य करते हैं। यह तीनों अक्षों में मापन किया जाता है। PS4 का सामान्य निष्पादन। जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था, वैज्ञानिकों की बहुत सटीक गणना के बाद ही हम ऐसा प्रमोशन देख पाते हैं।
Fourth stage performance normal.
The launch vehicle is provided with various separation systems. Let me describe a few of them. The strap-on separation consists of forward and aft ball and socket joints. Jettisoning is achieved by spring thrusters and joint release by explosive nuts. Stage 1 separation is achieved using explosive cord
Plus
located on the
17 minutes.
interstage. The second stage separation is based on release of Merman band at the joint of interstage between the second and third stage.
Fourth stage performance normal.
The separation of third stage is achieved through a ball lock mechanism between the interstage of third and fourth stage and the structural adapter to which the stage is mounted. The heat shield has vertical separation system based on linear bellows and horizontal separation system based on Merman band.
अब हम करीबन 2 मिनट की दूरी पर PS4 के इंजन सेपरेशन से
We are getting the orbital data. It is very close to the intended orbit.
Plus 18 minutes.
अब तक उपभू कक्षा 247 के करीब तथा अपभू 11,900 के करीब है।
The intended orbit for CMS-01
Fourth stage performance
is
normal.
284 kilometers by 20,650 kilometers sub-geosynchronous transfer orbit with 17.86 degrees inclination.
सापेक्षिक गति अब करीब 8.99 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की हो चुकी है। उपग्रह के आक्षेपण के लिए सापेक्षिक गति 9.61 की अपेक्षित है। PS4 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और ऑर्बिटल स्थितियों को प्राप्त करता हुआ
Fourth stage thrust cutoff.
चतुर्थ चरण का प्रणोदक खत्म हो चुका है और उसे बंद कर दिया गया है। यह सब ऑन बोर्ड कंप्यूटर के द्वारा किया जा रहा है। अब कुछ ही क्षण में
Satellite injection conditions are achieved.
Now the injection conditions for the rocket are achieved. The orientation is proper. The perigee has been achieved.
Plus 20 minutes.
And we are expecting the separation of the satellite anytime soon.
जी हाँ, कक्षा की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जा चुकी हैं। अब आप ऑन बोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं यह उपग्रह का
CMS-01
दृश्य।
satellite separated. Mission accomplished. Handing over to mission director.
The PSLV C-50 has successfully placed CMS-01 in its intended orbit, and we have yet another time achieved a successful mission.
CMS-01 mission is fully accomplished.
जी हाँ, पूरे भारत वासियों को इस पे गर्व होगा। एक बार फिर हम लोगों ने इसे सफलतापूर्ण ढंग से हासिल कर लिया है। उपग्रह CMS-01 अपनी कक्षा पर स्थापित किया जा चुका है।
And now we take you to the addressing by Chairman ISRO and the team. We take leave from you. Do take good care of yourself. Goodbye.
जी हाँ, अब हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं।
My dear friends, good evening to all of you. I am extremely happy to declare that PSLV C-50 successfully injected CMS-01, the communication satellite, in precisely in the predefined sub-GTO orbit. The satellite is functioning very well, and another 4 days from now, the satellite will be placed in the specified slot in geosynchronous orbit. And subsequently, this satellite is going to function as the continuation of the GSAT-12, which was launched 11 years back. I am sure that this satellite will be doing all the functions as planned successfully. This excellent success really we achieved today because of the hard work and dedicated effort by Team ISRO, both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team tirelessly worked very in the pandemic conditions, very safely they worked, as well as with a minimum number of team, they have done the job. Kudos to my ISRO team for both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team. Now, when we have talked about success, definitely you will be asking what is next. The next mission, PSLV C-51, is a special for us. It is special for the entire country. Why I am telling is, as all are aware, recently we have brought the space reform and unlocking India's potential in the space sector. This aspect, our government of India has initiated. Very interesting to note that within 8 months, now the first satellite from a startup called Pixel India, the satellite is called Anand. It is going to be Earth observation satellite. It is going to be launched. This is the first of its kind in India for bringing the private people for enabling the space activities over the country. This satellite, what are they going to do? Launch. It is going to provide Earth observation purpose, and this is the first of its kind and series. In the series of satellite, this startup company is going to launch. Along with that Anand satellite, 2 more satellites under the space reform is going to be launched. That is Space Kids India. Another one is that satellite is called Sadish Sat. The next satellite is the University Consortium UnitySat. So definitely PSLV C-51 is going to initiate the special, the new era of the space reform in India. And I'm sure that the startups and the private people will take this activity further and to provide services for the entire country. Now, at the same time, we have a lot of work on hand to do. That is, we are having activities like Chandrayaan-3, flagship program like Aditya L1, and Gaganyaan. It is activities. It is going on, and we have to have the missions at the earliest. And along with that, we have that our much awaited GSLV mission and SSLV mission, like the series of missions are on hand. As usual, I am sure that Team ISRO will come forward, rise to the occasion, and they will do the needful for meeting the demand given by our Indian government. Just now I got a message from the satellite center director that satellite is doing well And the solar panel, one of the crucial operations is happened, and the solar panel successfully deployed. And now this that activities now hand over from launch vehicle to satellite, and the satellite teams already started working on that, and very soon that satellite will be 21st of this month. The satellite will be placed in the correct orbit after a series of maneuvers. Now, definitely that when you are doing so much work, definitely that you have to enjoy the festival. Our Christmas is going to come very fast. New Year is also going to come. On behalf of the entire team ISRO, as well as on behalf of myself, I wish all the employees of the ISRO as well as their family members very happy Christmas and happy New Year. At the same time, definitely with the present conditions of the COVID pandemic, I urge all of you to celebrate these functions, festivals very safely. Thank you. Jai Hind.
और अंतरिक्ष में भारत की एक और छलांग, इसरो ने श्रीहरिकोटा स्पेस सेंटर से किया PSLV C50 का लॉन्च।
और इस गीत के बाद
छाया गीत
ऑल इंडिया रेडियो
बहुत रोमांटिक रही है।
Ahead of the trade negotiations that are slated
दिवस के साथ-साथ
it has undergone 9 revisions. Kohli with 903 rating points is 34 points behind Smith 900.
All India Radio. The news read by Anuja Kumar.
नमस्कार।
Behind me is our neighboring country, Bangladesh. This bridge will connect both the countries. In front of me lies Bangladesh, and there you can see the border fencing, and I am here at the Kamla Sagar Lake. This falls under Sipahi Zilla, which is the last district of Tripura. When the Maharaja of Tripura, Bir Bikram, went to Jaipur and he saw Jal Mahal, he became very much fascinated, and when he came back here, he constructed this Neer Mahal. Neer means water.
Investigative, incisive, intensive. Get your daily dose of news and analysis in English News Night every weekday at 9 p.m. on DD India.
A global pandemic that's causing havoc worldwide. Search for an effective vaccine is on. Until then, the only option is caution and prevention. Now that the country has opened up under Unlock 5, it's all the more critical that we don't let our guard down. Face mask has been found to be the most effective means to fight the spread of COVID-19. World Health Organization and various researchers have also found that masks are critical in mitigating the spread of COVID-19. When you wear a mask, you protect yourself and people around you. Wearing a face mask helps prevent the spread of COVID-19, but only if worn properly.
बिना मास्क या फेस कवर के घर से बाहर निकलने की अभी कल्पना करना भी सही नहीं है.
Be a part of DD India campaign. Mask Up India. Come and join our initiative to fight COVID-19. Share your stories of masking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.
Mask Up India.
It's a simple task. Just wear a mask.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Namaste land.
Marhaban ila al-Hind. Zari India.
Salam India. Namaste India.
Namaskar Bharata.
Muy
India.
Nahnu Hunur.
India.
Ma Hindi Hasti.
Mung Hindian.
Salam Hindustan.
We are India.
A global pandemic that's causing havoc worldwide. Search for an effective vaccine is on. Until then, the only option is caution and prevention. Now that the country has opened up under Unlock 5, it's all the more critical that we don't let our guard down. Face mask has been found to be the most effective means to fight the spread of COVID-19. World Health Organization and various researchers have also found that masks are critical in mitigating the spread of COVID-19. When you wear a mask, you protect yourself and people around you. Wearing a face mask helps prevent the spread of COVID-19, but only if worn properly.
बिना मास्क या फेस कवर के घर से बाहर निकलने की अभी कल्पना करना भी सही नहीं है.
Be a part of DD India campaign. Mask Up India. come and join our initiative to fight COVID-19. Share your stories of masking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.
Mask Up India.
It's a simple task. Just wear a mask.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
वैष्णव जन तो तेरे गाए जे पीड़ पर जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मना बेमाना आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने गाए जी सकल लोकमा सहुने वन्दे निन्दन करे नीरे वाचकाच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेने वैष्णव जन तो तेरे गाए जी समदृष्टिने तृष्णा त्यागी परस्त्री जाने मातारे चिपता के असत्य न बोले पर धन न बजाले आतरे वैष्णव जन तो तेरे गाए जे पीड़ पर जाने रे वनलोभिने कपटरहित चे कामक्रोधने मारे रे वननरसायो धेनो दर्शन करता कुले कुदे तारे रे वैष्णव जन तो तेरे गाये जे पीड़ पराये जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे थोये पर दुखे उपकार करे थोये मनाभिमान आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने गाये जे
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good and fulfilling my duty of responsible citizen by staying at home to maintain social distancing.
Yeah, me too. Actually, I have a few doubts about the Arogya Setu app. After installing this app, what all personal information are we required to share?
When you are registering on the app, it will ask you for your name, age, gender, profession, and your last 30 days of travel history. It would also request for permission to keep mobile's Bluetooth and GPS location on.
So where does all this information go and get stored?
The information submitted by you is encrypted and safely stored in the server.
So information about me like where I go, with whom I meet, is also being stored in the servers?
No. If you come in contact with another person who has also installed the same app, this piece of information is captured and stored on your mobile itself. This information is not sent to the server.
Okay, so this information does not go outside my phone.
No, it does not. This information is only sent out of your mobile to the servers if you are found to be COVID positive.
Understood. If I become COVID positive, then this information is used to inform everyone who knowingly or unknowingly came in contact with me so that they can also get themselves tested.
That's correct. If you remain well, then even the government will not use this information. Your personal information will remain personal and secure within your mobile.
Will information about me be stored permanently in mobile or servers?
No, that's not the case. The captured information gets deleted from your mobile after 30 days and from the server after 45 days. In case you are found COVID positive, your information from the server will be deleted after 60 days.
This is great. This app keeps my data safe and private, and I am safe as well. I'm convinced now that Arogya Setu app is the right way to fight Corona.
और इस गीत के बाद
All India Radio.
won the first prize. बहुत रोमांचक रही है.
Ahead of the trade negotiations that are slated
दिवस के साथ-साथ
it has undergone 9 revisions. Kohli, with 903 rating points, is 34 points behind Smith. 900.
All India Radio. The news read by Anuja Kumar.
नमस्कार.
behind me is our neighboring country, Bangladesh. This bridge will connect both the countries. In front of me lies Bangladesh, and there you can see the border fencing, and I am here at the Kamla Sagar Lake. This falls under Sipahi Zilla, which is the last district of Tripura. When the Maharaja of Tripura, Mir Bikram, went to Jaipur and he saw Jal Mahal, he became very much fascinated, and when he came back here, he constructed this Nir Mahal. Nir means water.
Informative, incisive, intensive. Get your daily dose of news and analysis in English News Night every weekday at 9 p.m. on DD India.
A global pandemic that's causing havoc worldwide. Search for an effective vaccine is on. Until then, the only option is caution and prevention. Now that the country has opened up under Unlock 5, it's all the more critical that we don't let our guard down. Face mask has been found to be the most effective means to fight the spread of COVID-19. World Health Organization and various researchers have also found that masks are critical in mitigating the spread of COVID-19. When you wear a mask, you protect yourself and people around you. Wearing a face mask helps prevent the spread of COVID-19, but only if worn properly.
बिना मास्क या फेस कवर के घर से बाहर निकलने की अभी कल्पना करना भी सही नहीं है.
Be a part of DD India campaign. Mask Up India. Come and join our initiative to fight COVID-19. Share your stories of masking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.
Mask Up India.
It's a simple task. Just wear a mask.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Namaste land.
Marhaban ilal Hind. Zari India.
Salam India. Namaste India.
नमस्कार भारत.
Nous sommes là.
نحن هنود.
India.
माँ हिंदी हस्ती.
Mung Hindian.
सलाम हिंदुस्तान.
We are India.
successfully launches communication satellite CMS-01 through PSLV C-50 from Sriharikota. Satellite to provide telecommunication services including television, tele-education, telemedicine and disaster management support. Bangladesh is a major pillar in India's neighbourhood first policy, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing India-Bangladesh bilateral virtual summit, pays tributes to the brave hearts who laid down their lives in 1971 Indo-Pakistan war, says it's a matter of pride for India to celebrate Vijay Diwas as a mark of victory over anti-liberation forces, hails the satisfying bilateral relationship during the pandemic. Centre writes to West Bengal government to immediately send the 3 IPS officers on central deputation, cites IPS cadre rules, asserts in any case of dispute between centre and state, centre prevails. Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID vaccine, shows encouraging results in the phase 1 human clinical trials. No vaccine-related serious side effects were observed and was well tolerated in all dose groups, says ICMR. And global corona cases exceed 7.44 crore with 16.54 lakh fatalities. Global efforts in the race for a coronavirus vaccine. Development Bank offers $1 billion to help Latin America, Caribbean with COVID-19 vaccinations. In sports, India crossed 200 mark in opening day of the Adelaide Test. Kohli and Rane rebuilt Indian innings against Australia. Captain Kohli, Indian skipper, hits half century. Australia's Stark and Cummins remove India's openers. Namaskar and welcome. You're watching DD News. I'm Sakal Bhatt and the top story at this hour. Well, Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO has successfully launched CMS-01 communication satellite from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Centre at Sriharikota today, just a while back. CMS-01 is the 42nd communication satellite of the space agency and is envisaged for providing services in extended C-band of the frequency spectrum covering mainland, Andaman and Nicobar as well as Lakshadweep Islands. The satellite to be the sole payload on the PSLV C-50 mission, and it provides telecommunication services including television, tele-education, telemedicine and disaster management support. The satellite has an expected mission life of 7 years. And addressing the scientist after the successful launch of PSLV C-50, ISRO chairman Dr. K. Sivan complimented the team, saying they worked very well and safely under the COVID-19 pandemic situation.
This excellent success really we achieved today because of the hard work and dedicated effort by Team ISRO, both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team tirelessly worked very in the pandemic conditions. Very safely they worked, as well as with a minimum number of team they have done the job. Kudos to my ISRO team for both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team.
In other lead story of the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina today held a virtual summit and discussed the entire spectrum of the bilateral relationship, including further strengthening cooperation in the post-COVID era. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi stressed on India's neighbourhood first policy, of which Bangladesh has been a strong pillar. Prime Minister added that both nations had good cooperation amidst COVID pandemic.
बांग्लादेश हमारी नेबरहुड फर्स्ट नीति का एक प्रमुख स्तंभ है। बांग्लादेश के साथ संबंधों में मजबूती और गहराई लाना मेरे लिए पहले दिन से ही विशेष प्राथमिकता रही है। यह बात सही है कि वैश्विक महामारी के कारण यह वर्ष बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण रहा है, लेकिन संतोष का विषय है कि इस कठिन समय में भारत और बांग्लादेश के बीच अच्छा सहयोग रहा, चाहे वो दवाइयां या मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट हो या फिर हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल के साथ काम करना हो। वैक्सीन के क्षेत्र में भी हमारे बीच अच्छा सहयोग चल रहा है। इस सिलसिले में हम आपकी आवश्यकताओं का भी विशेष ध्यान रखेंगे। सार्क फ्रेमवर्क के तहत बांग्लादेश के योगदान के लिए मैं आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
Prime Minister also paid rich tributes to all the brave hearts who laid down their lives in 1971 India-Pakistan war. Remember, Indian troops brought Pakistani troops down to their knees, resulting in a surrender of at least 93,000 Pakistani soldiers, as well as Pakistan's miserable loss. Prime Minister Modi said it's a matter of pride for India to celebrate Vijay Diwas as a mark of victory over anti-liberation forces.
विजय दिवस के तुरंत बाद आज की हमारी मुलाकात और अधिक विशेष महत्व रखती है। एंटी लिबरेशन फोर्सेस पर बांग्लादेश की ऐतिहासिक जीत को आपके साथ विजय दिवस के रूप में मनाना हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है। आज जब बांग्लादेश आजादी के 49 वर्ष मना रहा है, मैं दोनों देशों के शहीदों को, जिन्होंने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी, श्रद्धापूर्वक नमन करता हूं।
And during the summit, Prime Minister Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister launched a stamp to commemorate the birth centenary of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who led Bangladesh to its independence from Pakistan in 1971.
मुजीब वर्षों के अवसर पर मैं सभी भारतीयों की ओर से आपको बधाई देता हूं। अगले वर्ष बांग्लादेश यात्रा के निमंत्रण के लिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। आपके साथ बंगबंधु को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करना मेरे लिए गर्व की बात होगी।
The summit also saw the launch of Bangabandhu Bapu digital exhibition to celebrate the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The exhibition will be available for viewing in New Delhi, Dhaka, Kolkata, United Nations as well as 18 other locations.
मैं आशा करता हूं कि बापू और बंगबंधु की प्रदर्शनी हमारे युवाओं को प्रेरणा देगी। इसमें एक विशेष सेक्शन कस्तूरबा गांधी जी और पूजनीय बोंगो माता जी को भी डेडिकेट किया गया है।
Let's move on to the other stories. Now, Supreme Court began hearing the petition by farmers. Today, the Chief Justice of India, while hearing farmers' pleas, said that Supreme Court understands the pain of farmers and always sympathizes with them. Only the court said that we are talking about the manner of the protest. Attorney General said that if farmers' unions are boycotting talks, then no solution can be found by setting up committees. In an effort to spread awareness among the farmers, government has come out with a booklet titled Annadata on Modi government's contribution to farmers' cause. The booklet is available in Hindi, English and Punjabi. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has reiterated that the government is committed to the welfare of the farmers.
अन्नदाता नाम से जो बुकलेट सरकार के तरफ से हुई है, उसमें गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री रहते प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किसान की दृष्टि कैसे रखी किसान के प्रश्नों पर, और पानी बीमा और सब में जिस तरह से काम किया, और अभी प्रधानमंत्री बनने के बाद सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड से लेकर नीम कोटिंग यूरिया से लेकर फसल बीमा योजना से लेकर किसान सम्मान निधि से लेकर एमएसपी में जो कॉस्ट प्लस 50% का ऐतिहासिक फैसला किया, ये सब निर्णय उसमें है। और मुझे विश्वास है ये अभी लोग बहुत ये सरकारी किताब अच्छी उसको लोग मांग रहे हैं और हम भी सब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचेंगे।
Well, the centre has written to the West Bengal government to immediately, in fact, send the 3 IPS officers on central deputation. Citing Rule 6.1 of IPS cadre rules, the centre asserts in case of any dispute between the centre and the state, it's the centre which prevails. Centre shares posting information of 3 officers with the state. Bholanath Pandey gets SP post in BPRD. Praveen Tripathi will be DIG in SSB. And Rajiv Mishra is made IG of the ITBP. The centre had written letter to the state of West Bengal last week on sending 3 officers on central deputation, and following the state not budging to such a letter, the centre once again writes letter and asks for sending 3 officers immediately on central deputation. And now moving on to news on COVID vaccine front, where India's indigenous COVID vaccine Covaxin is being developed by ICMR in partnership with Bharat Biotech. It has shown encouraging results in phase 1 human clinical trials. The vaccine showed safety and generated immune response in phase 1 trials. Meanwhile, no vaccine related serious side effects have been observed so far. ICMR also informed that vaccine can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and is compatible with National Immunization Plan. The vaccine is undergoing phase 3 clinical human trial involving 26,000 participants. Staying with the COVID-19 news, it's now time to take a quick look at the news related to the pandemic numbers in India. Let's take a look at these numbers. With more than 33,000 recoveries recorded on Wednesday, the total number of recovered patients now stands at nearly 94.8 lakh. With this, the recovery rate currently stands at 95.3%. India's 3-pronged strategy of testing, tracing and treating is proving to be great success, giving us these good numbers. Fatality rate has dropped to 1.45%. Death toll was at 1,44,451. That's the latest on death toll. The number of active COVID-19 cases in India is more than 3.2 lakh. It is 3.2% basically of the total cases that have been reported so far. So basically 3.24% of the total cases reported so far. That's the number of active cases. And with continuous efforts, effective planning and strategic management, recovery rate in the nation is witnessing a steady rise. Let's now depict it through graphs. Recoveries are outnumbering daily new cases, which ensures steep upward trajectory of the recovery rate. Ministry of Wealth and Family Welfare is informed that 18 states and union territories have recovery rate which is more than the national average. Indian Council of Medical Research is informed that more than 15.78 crore samples were tested for COVID-19 up to 16th of December. Of these, more than 11.5 lakh samples were tested yesterday. Schools in Madhya Pradesh are set to reopen for class 10th and 12th from 18th of December. State School Education Minister Inder Singh Parmar has said that the decision to reopen schools for classes 10th and 12th has been taken keeping in view the upcoming board examination. The attendance of the students will depend on the consent of parents or guardians. The consent given by them will be valid for the entire session. However, attendance of the students is not mandatory. Those who wish to study through online mode will be allowed to study online, and activities like prayers and group activities, sports activities, swimming extra, all this has been banned in the school. All COVID-19 norms in place will have to be followed strictly. Colleges in the state are set to reopen in a phased manner from the 1st of January 2021. We are talking about the state of Madhya Pradesh. In other news, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat has said that India's goodwill comes with no strings attached and Nepal is free to act independently in international affairs but must be vigilant and learn from Sri Lanka and other nations which have also signed agreements with other countries in the region. General Bipin Rawat says this while taking part in a virtual webinar in New Delhi. Let's now move on and get you some more news and updates. Schools in Madhya Pradesh are set to reopen for class 10th and 12th from 18th of December. State School Education Minister Inder Singh Parmar has said that the decision to reopen schools for classes 10th and 12th has been taken, keeping in view the upcoming board exams. The attendance of the students will be depending on the consent of the parents or guardians. The consent given by them will be valid for the entire session. However, attendance of the students is not mandatory. Those who wish to study through online mode will be allowed to do so. Activities like prayers, group activities, sports, swimmings, all that will be banned in the schools. Basically, group activities, all COVID-19 norms in place will have to be followed very strictly. Also, colleges are set to reopen in the phased manner from 1st of January 2021. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has slammed Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over his walkout from the defence-related Parliamentary Standing Committee and said that first Rahul Gandhi was not present at the meeting and then he will question and insult the constitutional institutions. Javadekar condemned the stand by Rahul Gandhi.
राहुल गांधी कल रक्षा विषयक स्थायी समिति के बैठक से वॉकआउट कर गए। उनका कहना था कि महत्वपूर्ण विषयों के बदले छोटे छोटे विषय क्यों लिए जा रहे हैं। ये पहले अनुपस्थित रहेंगे, अपना जो एजेंडा चाहते हैं वो बताएंगे नहीं और फिर अचानक 14 में से 2 ही बैठकों में आएंगे और बैठकों में आकर फिर ये कहेंगे कि महत्वपूर्ण विषयों की चर्चा नहीं हो रही है। ये सांसदीय प्रणाली को और संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का अपमान है। ये संवैधानिक संस्थाओं के लिए जिस तरह से उन्होंने काम किया है उसका ये परिचायक है और जब पहले ऑर्डिनेंस फाड़ा था वो भी इसी का उदाहरण एक है और इसलिए हम इस रवैये की भर्त्सना करते हैं और राहुल गांधी को संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का आदर करने सीखना चाहिए, नहीं तो लोकतंत्र में उनकी भूमिका और नगण्य होती जाएगी।
BJP MP Meenakshi Lekhi has leveled serious allegations on Kejriwal-led Delhi government while addressing the media at party headquarters in New Delhi. Lekhi, replying to a question related to farmers, said that Delhi's farmers never got any benefits from MSP and during Congress's rule, farmers were denied of this facility.
दिल्ली के किसानों की ये हालत है कि दिल्ली में कभी किसानों को एमएसपी मिला ही नहीं है कांग्रेस के समय से। और जो ये फ्री बिजली फ्री पानी की बात करते हैं ना, तो मैं याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि दिल्ली के किसान को कोई सब्सिडी नहीं है, कमर्शियल रेट पे करता है वो और पानी तक नहीं है उसके पास। पानी भी ग्राउंड वाटर लेता है वो, वहां ना पीने का पानी है ना नहाने धोने का पानी है। दिल्ली के देहात में जरा जाके आप हालत देखिए।
In other news, BSF has foiled infiltration bid of 2 Pakistani intruders along Rajatal border outpost in Amritsar sector and also seized huge cache of arms and ammunitions. 2 Pakistani infiltrators were eliminated by BSF jawans, a big breakthrough for BSF.
इस 16-17 दिसंबर की रात को बीएसएफ के ट्रुप्स ने अमृतसर सेक्टर के 3 सफलतापूर्वक हमने ऑपरेशन किए हैं और तीनों ऑपरेशन में हमें कामयाबी हासिल हुई है। फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन जो बताना चाहूंगा आपको वो बीओपी राजाताल के इलाके में हुआ, जिसमें 2 आर्म्ड इंट्रूडर्स जो कि एक ऑटोमेटिक हथियारों से लैस थे, एक के पास AK-56 राइफल और 61 राउंड और 3 मैगजीन थे और दूसरे वाले के पास में एक मैग्नम राइफल .223 बोर, एक मैगजीन और 29 राउंड थे।
Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar addressed the National Student Startup Prashansa Awards 2020. He said that event aims to create knowledge-sharing platform for innovations, adding that Atal Tinkering Labs has augmented youngsters-led startups and has been a great success.
अटल टिंकरिंग लैब्स स्कूलों में शुरू हुए। 6ठी से 12वीं तक के छात्र आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, 3D प्रिंटिंग और ऐसे आधुनिक औजारों से और आधुनिक तकनीक के से काम करने लगते हैं और इसीलिए यह अटल टिंकरिंग लैब एक बहुत सफल प्रयोग रहा और अटल टिंकरिंग लैब की ओलंपियाड होती है। वो ओलंपियाड में अनेक नए आइडियाज लेकर छात्र आते हैं। ये इनोवेशन की शुरुआत है।
Minister also said that incubation centers have been implemented in IITs and NITs, adding that funding is important in innovations and startups.
सभी IITs में और बाकी जगह इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर शुरू कर रहे हैं, NITs में भी, और वहां ये बच्चे अपना प्रोडक्ट को आगे डेवलप करके कमर्शियली फिजिबल है कि नहीं ये देखने में जुट जाते हैं और उसमें जो प्रयोग करते हैं उनको विभिन्न कंपनियां भी सहायता करती है और करने के बाद अगर वो प्रोडक्ट हो गया, और मुझे खुशी है कि पिछले 4 साल के एफर्ट में लगभग 60-70 सॉल्यूशंस ऐसे आए कि जिसका उपयोग शुरू भी हो गया और एक उपजाऊ, एक अच्छी टिकाऊ वस्तु तैयार करना ये एक नया बात है। तो ये नए प्रोडक्ट, इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स तैयार करना ये भी महत्वपूर्ण है।
Union Minister Prakash Javadekar commented on the BJP's performance in local body polls in Kerala, stating that BJP has got over 10% votes continuously in the elections in Kerala. He added that BJP has got a very good start in Kerala.
4 चुनाव में केरल में लगातार 10% से ज्यादा वोट बीजेपी को मिल रहे हैं। अब हमारा परसेंटेज भी बढ़ रहा है, लोग भी आ रहे हैं और इससे जीत में भी परिवर्तित हो रहा है हमारा वोट। विधानसभा चुनाव में इस बार शानदार प्रदर्शन बीजेपी का रहेगा।
Skipper Virat Kohli got run out on 74 against Australia in the first test at Adelaide. That's the latest. He and his deputy Ajkinya Rahane made an 88-run partnership. They chipped in 88 for the 4th wicket. That was a 4th wicket 88-run partnership by both earlier in the play. Kohli and Cheteshwar Pujara stitched a 68-run stand together. Pujara was dismissed by Nathan Lyon. Minutes ahead of the conclusion of the second session, Pujara walked back after scoring a gritty 160 ball 43 knock. India faced an early blow as Mitchell Starc castled opener Prithvi Shaw off the second ball of the match. That was an early dismissal for India. The Indian opener was dismissed just for a 2-ball duck. Mayank Agarwal then looked confident during his stay at the crease, but Pat Cummins cleaned up with a peach of a delivery. Currently, India are batting, going strong on 223 for the loss of 6 wickets on day 1. And you can also listen to the live commentary by All India Radio of India Australia Day 1 at Adelaide on YouTube channel of Prasar Bharati Sports. You can catch all the action on Prasar Bharati's YouTube channel. With that, it's time to wrap up this edition of Newscast. Stay tuned to DD News for latest news and updates. Namaskar.